Hey guys, my name is Sweetie and today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. It's very simple and beginner friendly. So here I start by brushing my eyebrows using a spoolie. Then I line my eyebrows using a dark brown shade from my eyeshadow palette. You can use any dark brown shade from any palette, doesn't really matter. You can also go ahead and fill your eyebrows using the same dark brown shade, but I'm gonna use a dark brown pencil for that. Once again, I'm brushing my eyebrows to make it even. I'm sorry, my nose felt really itchy. And I just realized that I have a camera in front of me. Okay, so we start again. So here I'm using the Miss Claire brow pencil, which is in the shade dark brown. Anyways, I'll have all the products linked down below in the description box. So I'm filling in my eyebrows using the pencil. Don't mind people, I'm in bare face. Like I have shooted this video literally at around like 11 p.m. So I was barefaced, done nothing. I just thought to, shoot a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so we start again. Here I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Expresso, I believe. It will really help to tame down your eyebrows, Okay, so now the final step. Once again, I'm brushing my eyebrows, of course. And then the final step, I did not take notice that the camera was not focusing to my concealer. Anyway, I'm using the FITme concealer to just clear out the mess which I have created. So my eyebrows look sharp and crispy. I'm just clearing out the underneath area and blending it also using the same brush. Taking some more of it to clear the upper area as well. Okay guys, I want to quickly tell you something. I've seen some people, they use black color to fill in their eyebrow. That's really not a thing. You should always use a darker brown color to fill in your eyebrows. The Indian skin tone, it really matches with the darker brown. So I'm also using my finger to blend it further. And you see, here's the difference. I feel this brow looks so nice. Whispered, wait, you guys. Because I almost forgot to use the highlighter to enhance my brow bone. You should always use a highlighter to make your brow bone pop. It looks really nice. Trust me, you guys, with a full face of makeup, this eyebrows look bomb. So here I'm ending my video. Thank you so much, you guys, for staying in.